Stocks are dropping this morning. First, let's talk about what happened overseas. Japanese PPI last night was mixed. The UK added fewer jobs than expected, but their unemployment rate fell to 3.8%, so that was mixed. The ZEW economic sentiment indexes in the EU and Germany both stronger than expected, while the current conditions in Germany dropped versus expectations as well as versus the last read. As I speak to you right now, the Russell is down over 4.2%. The NASDAQ down 180, the S&P down 150, and the Dow down 1.45%. And that is mostly on the yield jump, which came on the hot CPI figure. As I'm talking to you right now, the 2 years up 14 basis points at 460. The 5 years up 426, up 13 basis points. 10-year yield 428. That's up 11 basis points. And the 30 years 444. That's up 7 basis points. Forget about the inversion right now. The 10-year, for example, is at the highest level since November 30th of last year, and that is pressuring not only stocks, but we're also seeing the dollar bump higher on this, and gold is lower. Metals in general are lower, looking at silver lower and copper lower. The greenback against the euro has hit the highest level since November 14th of last year. Crude oil still staying on the positive side, ever so slightly above $77 a barrel in WTI right now. That's as I speak to you. Headline inflation 3.1%. That was lower than last month, but higher than expected. That's the year over year figure. Core came in at 3.9%. That was higher than the expectations, and it was even with last month. But maybe more importantly, the month over month, both the headline and the core came in stronger than expected and stronger than last month's figure. Now, looking ahead, we have Fed speak tomorrow. We've got Chicago Fed President Austin Goolsbee and Fed Vice Chair for Supervision Michael Barr. We'll see if they're the first ones to comment on this hot inflation reading that we got. Earnings after the close today, 47 companies with market caps over $1 billion, including Airbnb, AIG, GoDaddy, Zillow, Robinhood, and MGM Grand. Tomorrow, before the open, 36 more companies with billion-dollar market caps, including Sony, CME Group, Kraft Heinz, and Barrick Gold. In terms of data, tomorrow, UK inflation data, EU GDP, US retail sales, and then at night, Japanese GDP data.